So what exactly are you doing when it comes to coaching? I know you got a lot on your plate right now.
What am I doing as it pertains to coaching? Well, you know what? In a nutshell, Tim, I'd tell you that my objective every day when I wake up is to change lives. That's what I'm doing with coaching. And if that doesn't excite somebody, well, then I don't know. I get up every day pretty thrilled to go about helping to coach people to change lives.
That's awesome. So give us a little bit more background on exactly what you're doing. I mean, you're working with other peers in the mortgage industry, or what exactly is it?
Our coaching company is just like Fairway is. It's a nationwide entity. So we're coaching producers all over the nation from coast to coast, and here, of course, in the middle in Minnesota, everywhere in between their phone conversations. And we're working through, of course, a coaching process. But like I said, a part of that is making sure that we're listening, learning what it is the producer's looking for, and helping them to achieve greater levels of success as they define it.
Do you have maybe a particular story that really stands out where somebody that you were coaching just, it was like, gosh, this is exactly why I do this?
2 weeks ago, I was on a phone conversation and my coaching client was crying and was getting really real with me about where things were at in his life, right? It's those times as a coach when somebody opens up at that level and gets really real about where things aren't right and is open to receiving what we can do in order to make a difference.
Yeah, totally.
That's when you're like, yes, because you're able to actually, like I said, change lives. We can talk about production and accountability and making sure people are hitting numbers and doing the stuff that they're supposed to do every day, and call X number of realtors and call this many clients and do this with your past clients, and all of that's great. And there's a place for that, right? But when somebody opens up and says, this is really hurting right now in my life and I need help, what can I do? It's game time.
And that's when Mama C comes out, right?
Mama C.
That's awesome. And, again, you can relate with that right back to the kids and being a great parent. So taking that coaching, ultimately on a daily basis, you're also working with clients to get mortgages, give them guidance on financing. How does that coaching wrap into helping clients get mortgages?
Sure. I would tell you, so the whole Mama C thing is a nickname that I got inside our coaching company from actually one of my coaching clients, and it was endearing and it stuck and has traveled. But for years, I've been telling my mortgage clients, I'm the mom that you want, but you don't want your real mom involved, right?
Right.
So it's like, I don't want to hear my mom nagging me. Yeah. I don't want my mom's opinion, but I really just want to know that somebody's looking out for me.
Totally.
Somebody's giving me information that's going to help me to make an educated decision because this is the biggest financial decision that most people are making in their lifetimes outside of their own business, opening up their own business, right? So, hey, they want to make sure that somebody's looking out for them.
Right. Taking care of their best interests. Like you said, it's not always about the technicals. It's about, hey, do you got my back? Are you really helping me make the best decisions? Right. Are you looking out for my best interests?
Right. There's a place for that. Just like there is in me coaching mortgage professionals or real estate professionals, there's a place in a mortgage loan client's life where it's not just about, hey, here's a 30-year fixed rate and here's the interest rate and here are the fees. It's about helping them to make an educated decision, looking at all of the options, talking to them about, and you know what, Tim, I would tell you, I ask every client one question first. What are you comfortable with? What's that target monthly payment that you're looking to obtain? What are you comfortable with in terms of how much down do you want to put on this house? How much do you want to invest? I can tell you all day long that you qualify for $1 billion and that here, this is what you need to put down. But if you're not comfortable with it,
Right.
doesn't matter.
Yep.
I want to make sure that you're comfortable long term. This is a sustainable thing, right?
Yeah.
And that's what moms do.
Exactly.